Hey guys, Lee Cole here. Before we do anything, do me a huge favor. If you're looking at this on YouTube, give me a thumbs up on this video. Give me a like. And also scroll down, subscribe to my channel. I got great new content coming out every week. What we're going to talk about today is truly exciting because two of the most successful, most knowledgeable local business marketers I have ever known, Brian Anderson and Jack Hopman, have teamed together to make a phenomenal product which is launching tomorrow. It's called 3-Step Lead Generation. I've been doing this business myself, this type of business myself, for over 10 years. I love this product, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the sales letter, I'm going to show you the members area, and then we're going to talk briefly about the OTOs. Thank you so much. Hold on one second. Let's take a look at the sales letter. Okay, 3-step lead generation. Let's take a look at the sales letter. Finally, two elite marketers reveal the closely guarded client-getting secret that their prospects simply cannot resist. And this is so true. Look at this video when you get to the sales letter. If you're on YouTube, just scroll down. A link to the sales letter will be actually a link to my bonus page will be the first link that you see. From there, you can easily get to the sales letter. I'm not going to read you the whole thing. That's totally stupid. You can read that yourself. These two guys, Brian Anderson, Jack Hopman, are absolutely the single real deal. We're here to talk about the 800-pound gorilla in the room, that is local marketing, how to actually find and close clients with a seamless system that removes stress and worry from your life. Folks, I've done local marketing myself for over a decade. I have taught zillions of people how to do this. Without doubt, the single biggest issue that people face is getting clients. Anybody can figure out how to deliver the service. I mean, heck, worst case, you can just go over to Fiverr and hire somebody to do whatever it is you're selling for you, be it a video, website, whatever. It's getting the clients that really befuddles people. And that's really sad because there are zillions of people out there who would love to do this, but they just can't figure out how to land clients. Check this out. This is from Brian, and I have been in the offline game since 1996, longer than I have. During that time, I've built and sold 2 7-figure agencies and currently run Media Mash, a multiple 7-figure agency out of Atlanta, Georgia. All true. I know people who know the guy. He is literally, in our world, the top of the top of the top. Obviously, I became successful attracting high-paying clients over the years, but as you can imagine, I had to learn the hard way. 3-Step Lead Generation is a proven, no-nonsense, straight-to-the-point training course in which we hold you by the hand and walk you through the exact steps that we take to get our prospects to contact us looking to grow their business. Prospects contacting you. At the core of the 3-Step Lead Generation method is our unique approach to prospecting. We'll introduce you to our automatic prospecting approach in which we teach you how to prospect the right niches, or niches if you're across the pond, and the right services. We found that focusing your efforts on a smaller, I love this part, this is so true. We found that focusing your efforts on a smaller, precise group of prospects yields a much higher response, all with less effort on your part. Now, this is what you get when you buy this. And again, in just a minute, I'm going to show you, walk you through the members area. I've got access to that, but you get training videos, you get their exact tracking blueprint. You get 2 strategic webinars with these guys. And let me tell you something, that right there is worth 10 times what you're going to pay for this thing. That right there, being on a webinar with these guys, being able to ask them questions, listening to them. I mean, you are literally on webinar with local marketing royalty. No joke. Little black book Rolodex of outsourcers. So you get a ton of stuff. You're going to learn how to find clients. They talk all about what to sell, how to sell it, etc., etc. If you're interested in local business marketing, just drop what you're doing right now and buy this. All right. So, by the way, if you buy it through my link, I got some cool bonuses for you. So next thing, let's take a look at the members area, and then after that we'll talk briefly about OTOs. So here we are in the members area, and as you can see, I've got access. There's my name. But I love so much about this. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing so that you know exactly what you're buying and why you should just buy it without any other questions asked. But so yeah, short and simple. God, I love that. 5 modules. Folks, this is not hard. This is an entire business in these 5 modules. This isn't just 5 modules that get you to a certain point. This is an entire business. When you get here and you get in the members area, just watch this quick little video with Brian. 3-step lead generation. Check this out. Mobile is the dominant device type for consumers making buying decisions. 5 years ago, maybe not true. 7 years ago, absolutely not true. Today, absolutely. There is far more people taking this thing and making buying decisions in that than sit down at a computer in order to do stuff. Even us baby boomers. Business owners know the exact value of exclusive inbound phone leads. Both business owners and consumers know, like, and trust Google. Agency owners need a recurring service that requires little to no work after being set up, yet delivers massive proven value. So you could look at these 4 statements as like the axioms of this entire program, if you remember high school geometry. In other words, this is the foundation that this whole thing is built on. Mobile is the way that people make decisions. Business owners know how much an inbound lead is worth to them. Everybody knows, likes, and trusts Google, and you, the agency owner, need recurring income. So, speaking to that, you've got 5 modules that's going to show you how to create a business just like that. Ideal service to provide. Okay? Google mobile call only training. For those of you mobile call only training, mobile call, that's hard to say, isn't it? Mobile call only ads are ads that only show on a device. All right, they don't show up on your computer. In other words, that's really important because it hits people right when they're going to make a buying decision, which is when they're staring at their phone as opposed to staring at a computer. Because we don't make buying decisions so much staring at a computer anymore. Ideal prospects. This is from a guy who has built and sold 2 7-figure businesses. That's 7 figures in US dollars. That's over $1 million. Okay. I mean, if anybody should know who the ideal prospects are, Brian should. Packaging and pricing. You know, I mean, how many products have you had where you know what to do, you just don't know how much to charge? You know, no stone left unturned. This is the entire thing, and finally getting clients. 5 modules. You only need 5 modules because once you know how to do it, this is a brain dead simple business. So, video about ideal service. I'm just stepping through these modules for you. Google Mobile Call Only Training, basics of Google Ads, set up Google Mobile Call Only Manager account, set up your mobile call only campaigns, and you have some live training on this also. And look, don't freak out because it's paid ads, okay? You're doing the paid ads for clients, and they pay you in advance, so, you know, it's totally cool. Ideal prospects. Click here to get to that. They're still adding stuff to this at the moment. At the time that I'm making this video, they're still adding in some stuff to this. So when you actually buy it and see it, it may well have some things that I'm not showing you. Packaging and pricing, got that covered. And finally, getting clients, which is the big bugaboo for everybody. Sweet, short, to the point, yet it's a complete business. Okay, next couple of minutes we're going to talk briefly about OTOs, and I'll see you there. Okay, let's walk through the OTOs, but total transparency, I'm going to tell you what I know about them. I have not seen, because they're not available yet as of the time that I'm making this video, I've not seen the actual sales letters for the OTOs. I'm just trying to be totally upfront with you. so you can know what I know and what I don't know. But I'm just going to hit the highlights on the OTOs. Now, the first thing I want to say, everything is very, very, how shall I say this, well-priced, very affordable to anybody that's interested in this. But I'll tell you this. You don't need any of the OTOs in order to make what we call the front-end product. That is the first product that you buy, okay? The one that I just told you, walked you through the sales letter of, that product. You don't need any of the OTOs in order to make that work. So if you just don't want to spend the money right now, or you're not sure if this is the kind of training for you or the direction you want your business to go in, that's totally cool. You know, you don't want to buy, you know, any OTOs. You know, you just want to kind of walk in the baby into the pool. That's totally cool. Just buy the front end training, get that. It's going to be worth massively more than what you paid for it, and you can come back later and get the OTOs. All right, I'm just saying. But anyway, OTO 1 is call only Google ads. So these are pre-done ads for 40. That's a 4 and a 0 for 40 niches, 40 local business niches. So remember, the front end training was how to set up a Google call only ad agency, right? Essentially, that's what that was about. OTO 1 is, well, let's just provide you with ads for 40 niches. Totally cool. OTO 2 is about instant reply. Okay, so this is about the, I think it's, and this is something I've never used, but I think it's about the Google instant reply, or reply. Is that how you say that? Reply or reply? I'm in my 60s. I should know how to speak my own language. But anyway, Google's instant reply app. Okay, it's all about how to use that in your business. Instant reply mobile app Google Ads, yet another OTO. Okay, and you don't have to have any of these. There are a few OTOs to step through. I'll be honest with you about that. But they're all meaningful. It's not just BS. OTO 4, I think we are in line, either 3 or 4. Google Ads Agency Kit. Basically, everything you need to set yourself up as a Google Ads Agency expert. Yeah. That's about it. Those are the important OTOs. Again, I don't know as much about these as I usually do, because I'm usually, when I'm making this part of my review video, sitting here looking at my computer screen, stepping through the sales letters for the OTOs. Those aren't quite ready. It is what it is. But to mitigate that, these are two guys you can absolutely count on. They are two major players in the local business space. This is real. This is something you can count on, and it's, you know, if you work it, this is the kind of thing that will work for you. Thank you so much for looking at this video. My name's Lee Cole. If you want to buy this through my link and you're on YouTube, scroll down, first link in the description box, click that, go to my bonus page. You'll see all the cool bonuses you get when you buy this. Or if you're already on the bonus page, check out the bonuses, then hit the link that says, or hit the button that says next steps, takes you to the sales letter. Get this and start learning and making money with this today. Thank you so much. Talk to you very soon.